EYEN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. It's up like crazy, which I like, and I'm the only guy in the space with 41,000 videos made like this. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially here, my color was so on point and the timing was phenomenal. This video exactly here was made 4th of June, right? Today we're 6th of June, actually 5th. And guess where we're sitting at, right? Boom, right there, 211. There you go. This is what happened. We like 4th of June was like right here. This happened on freaking 5th, the pump up, and then we just freaking went up today even more. So it was called out by me. You cannot say me, do not tell me crap about this. All I'm looking to do is freaking double down and buy more on EYEN. But again, what I'm not gonna do, although I'm like I seem hype, but this is just kind of consolidated, and unless I see like a proper pull down and shift, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to double down and buy. Very simple. So we'll continue to keep you updated. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, then get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.